So I've gotten a couple of requests from faculty members to show you how I actually go about doing screen recordings. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about that. So first and foremost, if you're working on a Mac, screen recording is super simple. It's actually done using QuickTime Player, which is what I'm using right now. And when you use QuickTime Player, you can literally open up a file here in the QuickTime menu on a Mac and choose New Screen Recording, and it'll give you a couple of prompts of on-screen instructions that will then allow you to set up a screen recording. The benefits of doing a screen recording using QuickTime for me are that it actually shows mouse clicks. So right here, if I click on the mouse, you'll notice that you actually see kind of a halo around the mouse that lets you know that I clicked there. But what if you're on a Windows PC and you don't have QuickTime and you don't really want to pay for any application? Well, the good news is that we here at Colin also use a piece of software called Zoom, which you can download and use for free. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Zoom, and I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom to make a screencast. So here I am with Zoom. I go ahead and open that up, and that's going to bring up my Zoom menu. Now, I've actually chosen to log in. You might be able to just use Zoom without really creating an account, but it's free, so I highly recommend creating an account. All right, so I've opened up Zoom, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to start a video. Now, just so you understand what Zoom is a piece of conferencing software. It usually allows you in a similar way to Skype or FaceTime or any number of other conferencing apps to have video web conferences with other people. And to my knowledge, you can actually do up to 50 people in a free Zoom account conference. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with video, and instead of inviting anybody, I'm actually going to create a Zoom session where I'm the only person attending. So you'll notice here you can see me talking. Hi everyone. And this is my Zoom window. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to do two things. I'm going to first share my screen. So when I click on this icon down here, I get to pick which screen I would like to share. So I can either do my desktop, I can choose to do a whiteboard, I can even hook up an iPhone and iPad if I want to, and I'm going to choose to share screen. All right, so there I go, sharing my screen. Okay, and you can see me over here in this window. I'm going to minimize that. There we are. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here to the More button, and I'm going to click on the More button in this menu, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to choose Record. And this is now going to record the meeting. So I can now go through and I can move all this stuff. If I want to jump into Canvas, let's say this was a Canvas tutorial of some form, I could jump over here. Okay. Let it load real quick. Okay, there's the Canvas link, so I'm going to click on Canvas. That would bring me here, and I could actually then do this recording and show you how to do something in Canvas. Okay? And then when you're happy and you are satisfied with the recording, simply come over here, choose Stop Recording, and then once you end the meeting, which I'll do through the same menu, I'm going to say End Meeting for All. It's going to now save my recording. Okay, so you let it convert, and once it converts it, we will then have a video file. Okay. All right, so here is a video recording. I'm going to just do a quick brief preview of it so we can see. And so we can see that the video has now recorded and it is playing exactly what I recorded. I'm actually pausing it here because I can hear it in my headphones, but that essentially is how you can make a screen capture using Zoom.